Let's check our hotel in Kyoto, the Hotel Kimon. So this hotel is quite far from where the action is and a bit far from the city center and Kyoto station. But the good thing about it is it has a nearby subway station. So we booked a triple room, and contrary to what is known about Japan, na gamay ang rooms, this one has a bigger floor space and we can even open up our bags pa. Complete siya with toiletries and of course the most exciting part, ang ilang ultra-modern bathroom na may toilet seat na automatic mag-init every time ka maglingkod. We also have a blower and mga toothbrushes and kaning naka-sterilize na glass na ilahang gina-change every day. And ako po ng space sa shower. Sa iyang reception area, they have this machine na pwede ka makapashange sa imuhang money but ayaw dere kay barat ang ilahang conversion. The only downside about this place is every time ka mo gawas, you need to surrender your key and kuhaon na po din mo balik pag mag-in ka. So, mo niya ang gawas niya just a few steps away na anay 7-Eleven, and in this side na siya yung museum. So, very quiet and peaceful, diba? Away from the crowd yun siya. So, gamay lang na lakaw, doon na ang convenience store. And na-upload siya very nice na, I don't know if this is a palm tree. And a few meters away is this subway station, very convenient pag mulakaw ka or mulaan. So I recommend this hotel.